How to activate your Lloyds Bank credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to activate your Lloyds Bank credit card. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to the Lloyds Bank website, lloydsbank.com. Now search for the log on button at the top right corner. Then you can see the interface. Tap on the personal. Now you will be directed towards the login page. There you need to type on the user ID and password in the respective field. Then tap on continue. And that's it. You will be now logged in into your Lloyds Bank online banking account. Once you are logged in, go to the credit card section. Tap on the activate card option. Now enter your credit card number, expiration date and CVV code. Review the details you have entered and confirm the activation of your card. Lloyds Bank may also need some additional verification such as OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the code to proceed. Once you have completed all the steps, you should see confirmation message that your credit card has been successfully activated and is ready to use. And that's it. You have successfully activated your Lloyds Bank credit card online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.